Fitdarlin, Yarman, and Nelman are the friendship, but they have been apart for a long time. One day, Fitdarlin is visiting a museum and suddenly meet with Nelman, his old friend.
Excuse me. Nelman?
Yes, I am Nelman.
What Nelman?
Are you Fitdarlin?
Yes, you recognize me.
Oh my god, bro, long time not see you.
You are so handsome today, friends.
Alright, thank you, bro.
Are you forget me?
No. You was my friend
The
when
same
I was in
people.
senior high school.
The same people.
Yeah, the same people, but you a little different.
Because I'm friends.
That's fine.
So what are you doing here?
I just want to visit this museum.
Oh, you just
So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a student in Universitas Nias.
Oh, Universitas Nias.
Yes, you right. You.
I know. That is
Never.
the amazing university in this island. So, can we go inside here?
Okay.
Let's have some soft drink.
Okay, friends, let's.
It's long time not see you, bro.
Nelman,
Yeah.
what is your job right now?
Alright, bro. So I work in an office near Binaka Airport.
Binaka Airport.
Yeah.
Yes, I ever come there.
Anyways, what semester you in?
6 semester, friends.
6 semesters.
Yes.
Alright, that's great. So
So, you still remember our friends when in senior high school?
our best friend.
Yes, you're right.
What a second.
I forget.
Yarman.
Yes, you right. Yarman.
I know Yarman. Oh my god, long time not see him.
You have saved the number in?
No, I don't. There's only your number in my phone.
Let's see.
But just send me later. You have it?
Yarman. Yes, I have friend.
Alright, just send it later.
Okay, I send you later.
Alright.
So, where you going after that?
Actually, we have a meeting about 2 minutes more, but I just have a free time here. Anyways, do you want to join with us next time together with our friends? Yarman and you?
With Yarman.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry, I cannot come tomorrow, but I have another busy or another job. How about in the next week?
Alright, in the weekend. Is it fine? It's fine.
Yes, I have time. I have free time.
Alright, sorry, I have to answer this. Okay. Hello? Alright, okay. Thank you. So I'm sorry, my boss is calling me just now and I have to go because we have a meeting.
Okay,
So
no
I'm so
problem. So, but don't forget to meeting.
Or meeting next time. Alright, see you.
See you.
Nice to meet you again.
Yo, friend.
See you.
Bye.
Fitdarlin is very happy, so he is going to call her best friend Yarman.
Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Yarman. I'm Fitdarlin. Are you recognize me? Are you still remember me? Yes, you're right. You forget. You maybe you forget because long time no talking. I'm no calling you. I'm sorry, Yarman, because I disturb you. So I have calling you because Nelman right now have met me in the museum. So he suggests me. So we are come in the museum next week. Are you have time? Are you have free time? The next week. Yes, Nelman. You still remember best friend in when senior high school? Yes, you're right, friend. Yes, you're right. Okay, friends. Okay, so you wait information for me. Thank you, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Okay friends, good afternoon too. See you. Woo!
Who's that baby?
Oh, this is my old best friend. So they are invite me to meet in the museum in the next week. So I cannot join without you. So do you have spend time in the next week?
Yes, I have.
Really?
Really? Oh, thank you so much, darling.
Very welcome.
Niscar and Yarman have a relationship, but Niscar also has another boyfriend named Nelman.
Babe,
Yeah,
how are you today?
I'm good, baby.
Alright, I want to say something for you. We have a friendship meeting next week, and I would like to invite you to join with us. Would you like to come?
I'm sorry, baby.
Come on.
I don't have time.
Why? What's wrong with you? Actually, I want to show that I have a girlfriend, that a beautiful girlfriend. I want to show to my friends. So, please come and join us.
Okay, baby.
Come on. Alright, you look so beautiful today.
Hello, friend.
Hi, what's up?
Sit down, please.
Yeah, sure. So, are you waiting for us?
Yes, I'm just waiting for you.
Oh yeah, that's great. Where's Yarman?
I don't know, maybe on the way.
Alright, thank you.
Sorry, I go to the toilet.
Okay.
Alright, be careful, darling.
Okay.
Oh my God, darling. You very
It's fine, you know, like, he's the best girlfriend of mine.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you relationship for
3 years.
3 years.
Ah,
Oh my
we have a plan. We
God.
are going to get married in the next year, maybe, I don't know.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, don't forget to invite me.
Of course. Oh, you're my best friend.
Hello friends.
Hey, Yarman, welcome. Have a seat, please.
Thank you.
Okay, friends.
Thank you so much. But I'm very disappointed for today because my girlfriend, I don't know,
Where's your
I'm
girlfriend?
very called out. But you don't accept my invitation. Yes.
Maybe she's still on the way, maybe.
I don't know, but you don't to confirmation about me also.
Oh, that's true.
Ah,
You
I'm
know,
very disappointed.
my girlfriend's still on the internet.
But now my life, his girl is good.
Oh,
Beautiful voice.
that's great.
Guys, do you want to order some food?
I just to read. You want for ice?
Some ice? How about
Ah.
you, Yarman?
Seafood. I'm student.
Alright.
Hey, baby.
Baby, please sit down.
Okay.
That's too hot today.
This is hot.
Sorry, this is your girlfriend?
Oh my god, I forgot to tell him that this is my girlfriend. Her name is Niscar. We have dating for 3 years.
3 years.
Is she beautiful?
Yes, of course. So, who is it?
This is my boyfriend, Yarman.
Sorry?
My boyfriend.
What's wrong with you?
Boyfriend.
You
Yeah.
recognize her.
Yes, because this is my girlfriend also.
What? Your girlfriend? Come on, bro. She is my girlfriend. We have dating for 3 years, okay?
It's true.
Sorry, brother. This is my girlfriend also. But I confused.
Yes. Sorry. We are friendly. We are
Friendship, alright.
Friendship.
No, you make me hard today.
It's crazy. How? Are you cheating on me?
Yeah.
Wait, brother.
This
What a second. No, let me explain to you.
Wait.
I went to you, bro.
Stop!
This is unbelievable, this car. Tell him.
Wait, friend.
No!
What's wrong with you, Yarman?
Bad
What's
luck.
wrong with you?
Bad luck.
For what? Huh?
We can
She's my
explain
girlfriend,
together.
okay?
We are friendship, friends. We are friends.
Yarman, stop,
Move,
Yarman.
Shahid. Move.
Stop, Yarman.
She's my girlfriend, okay? She's my girlfriend, okay? What's wrong with this? Hey, what's wrong with you, Yarman?
Right now,
Please.
you're my friend. Yeah. And you
Really? Just because of
Yeah.
this?
Good. I go ahead.
I'm fine. Niscar, this is just unbelievable. Just because of you, my friendship has broken up. I don't know what's wrong with you. I want to end our relationship.
Sorry, baby. I'm
We're
sorry.
we don't have love anymore. Okay, just stop it, alright?
Baby, I'm
Just stop
sorry.
it. No,
No.
just go.
No.
You really make me disappointed until this time.
Sorry.
You're really good. I wanna go.
Baby,
No,
please. Please.
I'm leaving.